Hi, come on in.
Oh, hello, hello, hello. Lovely. Wait, what is that smell? It smells wonderful in here. What is that? Tell me all your secrets.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a special little guest star, the littlest guest star, Capri. She is very clingy right now. She's not letting me put her down. So she's just gonna join us for today's video. And you know, speaking of smells and amazing smells, I don't think there's anything in this world that smells better than a newborn baby. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? She's 7 weeks old now and just a little doll, but you know, clingy to her mom. Quickly before jumping into the video, I have a huge giveaway I decided to do. COVID is still going on, people are stuck, so I wanted to do a staycation giveaway of $1,000. So you can use that to go on a little 2-3 night getaway somewhere near you, get some nice meals, maybe a spa treatment. And all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to this channel and following me over on Instagram, and then leave in the comments down below where you would go on your staycation. I will have all the other details in the description box, so check there. This is a very appropriate video for me to make because one thing about me, I'm very sensitive to smells. Everything has to smell good or I'm bothered. You're getting bored? Okay, let's see if you'll let Daddy hold you. Okay, we're gonna try again. Oh, she's got my hair. No. She's got my hair. So with all of that said, let's jump into today's topic. There's two main components to making your house smell amazing. The first is deodorizing. We first have to kind of get rid of any problem areas, lingering smells. Step two is reodorizing. And I don't know if that's a word, but guess what? It is now. When it comes to deodorizing, there's two things that are gonna be your best friend. First, baking soda. Second, activated charcoal. Both of these really effectively absorb odors. They're both natural and inexpensive. So a couple ways to use baking soda around the house. You can sprinkle it on your couch, your rugs, your carpet, your mattress. Allow it to absorb for at least 15 minutes to fully absorb any of those odors, and then vacuum it up. That's it. So simple and so effective. If you don't already do this, you can leave a little bowl of baking soda in your refrigerator to absorb odors there. My latest little deodorizing trick are these activated charcoal bags. Not only do these absorb odors, they also help absorb moisture or any allergens or pollens in the air. So I keep these bags in my drawers with my clothes to keep them smelling nice and fresh. I put them in my storage bin, and I also keep these at the bottom of all of our hampers. One of the biggest problem areas is your trash. I mean, it makes sense. So you want to make sure you are regularly cleaning your trash can itself. Sometimes the trash can is what smells. Get that smelling nice and fresh again, and you can even put baking soda at the bottom of your trash can. And the garbage disposal area, really easy to clean. What I do is I just pour in a whole bunch of vinegar, a whole bunch of Dawn dish liquid, and some lemon essential oil. Turn on your garbage disposal with some hot water, let that run, and that is a really easy, quick way to deodorize. So those are kind of the basic main problem areas to deodorize, some really simple tricks there. Now let's get into the fun stuff, reodorizing. First little trick that I have been obsessed with lately is using eucalyptus around the house. Now I get this little bunch from Trader Joe's for $3, or take a little walk around your neighborhood, see if there's any eucalyptus trees and snip some little branches off. I cannot tell you how amazing and fragrant these are. They're obviously totally natural. When you have this in your house, it will fragrance an entire room. So I will put these in little vases around the house, but the best way to use eucalyptus in your house, hang this above your shower head and then turn on your water, take your shower as normal, and you will be intoxicated with the smell of the eucalyptus and the hot steam. It will help wake you up. It helps with breathing and makes you feel more energized. And it's like a little spa treatment in your own shower. So this is something I've been doing, and I have to say, it takes my shower up. You can also use this to make a little stovetop potpourri. I mean, I think we've all heard of our grandma's potpourri, right? Dried up flower leaves, but those just, to me, are not as fragrant. A stovetop potpourri Ooh, girl, your whole house is gonna smell amazing from this. I've been doing these for years. One of them I like to do is with eucalyptus leaves. You need about a cup of them, a whole lemon sliced up, and then about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 3 cups of water to that and put it on a low simmer, and it is better than any air freshener. It's just the most beautiful, natural, fresh smell, and so inexpensive and easy to do, and it's kind of a wow factor. Not many people are doing that, okay? Now, because it's fall and we want the cozy vibes going on, my favorite fall-inspired stovetop potpourri, an orange peel, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of water. If you have cloves or any other spices you want to add to that, you can go ahead and do that. And just put it on a very low simmer, and this will fragrance your entire home for hours. And if you want to keep it simple, a really easy thing you can do is just take 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, put it in a baking safe dish, pop that in your oven at a low temperature, and just that smells incredible and is so easy. Now, I obviously have to mention using essential oils around your house to fragrance the home, because one thing you may or may not know about me, I had a line of essential oils. Unfortunately, COVID kind of shut down the business. It's sad story. But a lot of our suppliers got shut down and it just became impossible to keep going with it. But that should tell you just how passionate I am about essential oils and using them around the house, because not only are they so potent and effective, they're natural. The easiest way to do this is just put your essential oils in a diffuser. But some other more creative ways I like to use essential oils around the house for fragrance is in your bathroom. In the toilet paper roll itself, you take your essential oils and you put some drops on the inside of the toilet paper roll. So when people are pulling out the toilet paper, it will emit a nice fragrance into the room. You can also make a DIY room spray. So this is kind of a natural version of Febreze. So you fill it all the way up with distilled water or filtered water if you don't have distilled. Then you add a tablespoon of either vodka or witch hazel. I know that sounds weird, but it's just to help the essential oils mix in with the water. And then you can add any blend of essential oils you like. I'm doing about 15 drops of grapefruit and 15 drops of mandarin. Other little pro tip, take that same spray and you can spray it on any of your fake flowers you have in the house, just to kind of fragrance those up. And that same room spray also works as a linen spray, so you could spray your bedding before going to sleep. Now look, I could go on and on with like 50 different ways to fragrance your home with essential oils. I'm gonna stop there for now. So I have to talk about candles, because this is probably the most common way that people like to fragrance their home, especially in the fall and winter time with all of the holiday candles, right? Couple tricks. First thing I just want to show you, because I recently got this and it's amazing. It's this USB rechargeable lighter. It is the coolest thing ever, and you can just use this one lighter for the rest of your life. You don't have to worry about matches or running out of lighter fluid. This will last you forever. It's under $15 and just such a cool little gadget I wanted to show you. But after you've lit your favorite candle and it's all burned out, but there's still a little bit of wax left, what do, right? Little hack is I get a mug warmer and I put my candle on there, and now it becomes a wax melt, and you have that beautiful fragrance, and you can extend the life of your candles, get every last bit of use. Last little trick is using Downy Unstoppables around your house to fragrance your house, because if you've ever encountered Downy Unstoppables, I mean, the name is appropriate. They are unstoppable. The fragrance in these things is just next level. What you can do is just get little bags and put the Unstoppables in them, and you can pop that all around your house in whatever areas you want. You can put it in your shoe cabinet, you can put it with your clothes, you can put it in your linen closet. You can just put them all around the house, and it's going to leave an amazing smell, and these things last for so long, and they just have such a strong fragrance to them. There's all different fragrances, so it's whatever you like, but I like the lavender vanilla scent. And I forgot to mention, you could also pour some down your garbage disposal, run some hot water, and then run the disposal, and it will help freshen up that area. And the last thing I kind of wanted to test out live on camera, because I was curious myself. There's this fragrance oil, it's called Santal. This has a cult following. Every single person I follow on Instagram talks about this, says it smells amazing, and it makes your house smell like a luxury hotel. So I was curious, and it was on Prime Day special. I'm gonna put this in my diffuser and give you kind of a live assessment of what I think it smells like. Okay, I have this going in my diffuser. Oh my goodness. It just smells expensive. It smells like luxury. I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like woodsy natural, but in the best way. No, I'm not kidding when I say I really thought I was gonna hate it. I didn't even like how it smelled in the jar, but as I have it going in here, it just smells incredible. I have so many different little tricks for making your house smell amazing. I'm gonna cut this video off here, and if you do like it, I will definitely do a part 2. So let me know if you would like to see me do a part 2 in the future. Also, don't forget to enter my staycation giveaway. All of the details are going to be in the description box, but all you have to do is just be subscribed to me here and follow me over on Instagram. So easy to enter. So with all that being said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.
Brittany, I must say, this stench in your home is the most intoxicating stench I have ever smelled in my life. It's intoxicating. You must tell me all of your secrets.